I would like to introduce our new project car here. This is a 1977 Datsun 280Z from the US market. The car looks pretty nice from like 5 meters away, but when you get closer you can see the details, what is wrong with it. The only good modification, as you can see on the front, it's a front spoiler, because when you drive on the highway you want to speed up a little bit more than 120. This keeps the car down and more stable on the road. So let's talk about the hood. I don't know what they think when they paint it like this, because it feels like plastic. The previous owner and garages are ruined it with these modifications. They drop down the car too much. Imagine if you have a flat tire, you can even put a jack under the car to change it. We open up the hood and we find out the engine is still the original 2.8 liter, but it looks like they replaced the injector system with 2 Weber carburetors, what is not installed correctly because they're touching the strut bar here. Our customers want to replace these carburetors to Hitachi run-top carburetors because it's more reliable. And this is the original radiator, but we will replace it for the aluminum one for better performance. It's our upgrade. And now I see the battery is not the right size, we have to replace that also. And we will replace the brake booster because this is not original. We have our brake booster, it's a little bit bigger and more reliable, and we put back the original master cylinder too. I just see the alternator is not the original one, someone replaced it, but it's not running straight, it's biting the belt, so it's very dangerous, it will be breakdown soon. Luckily, the body is very healthy, there's no rust, we don't have to do any body work on it. But because they drop the body down closer to the ground, it's have all the way scratches here and scratches there. And the exhaust is also no good, we have to replace it, and because it's touched the bottom. We have to change the springs to the original ones because our customer wants to have it a right way. If somebody else wants adjustable suspension, we can do that also. Our main goal is correct the mistakes and make a nice, reliable and drivable car, what you can even drive 1,000 kilometers for a day, even any breakdown or problem. Stay tuned, we keep you updated, and don't forget, details matter.